even if the customer never asked for it, even if the customer told us it was too expensive, even if the customer, when you went to float that product specification to them, told you that they're not interested. And in fact, that was the case. I took our product spec to Dell and HP and IBM and Gateway, and they all told me it was too much money. You're well outside of the boundaries of what they were willing to pay for. When your customers all tell you not to do something, the question is then, what do you do? In our case, because we had this unique perspective that 3D graphics was insatiable and Moore's Law was our friend, therefore, we should make our graphics processors twice as good every year. And so for the first 5 years of our company, we just turned off our blinders and said, we're going to ignore customers. Now, which one of you guys are going to go through your marketing courses and the lesson that it teaches you is ignore your customers? Well, sometimes you have to ignore your customers. And the reason for that is because they don't know the nature of your business. And while the industry is being created, before there's common sense about the rules of that business, there is no way they can possibly know. I took the last few $1 million of the company's money and built a chip that is way, way, way too big. And our customers told us we were way out of bounds on cost, and they weren't going to buy any. Until the day we showed up with the processor, we were in allocation throughout the entire life of that project, until our next generation product, which was twice its price, cannibalized the previous one. And so we grew and grew and grew for several years.